11, and at the request of the National Weather Service, we're interrupting regular programming again. A severe thunderstorm warning for Flagler County and Putnam County will follow. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Flagler County and southeastern Putnam County until 2:45 p.m. At 2:10, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of St. Augustine Shores to near Pearson, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. You could expect hail damage to vehicles and wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palm Coast, Flagler Beach, Bunnell, St. Augustine Beach, Marineland, and Crescent Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Once again, the National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Flagler County and southeastern Putnam County until 2:45 p.m.